Good morning, children. Today we are going to take the ninth poem. The name of the poem is The Snake Trying, and this poem is written by W. Ross. So, let me give a short introduction about the poem. So, in this poem, the poet says that the snake in this poem is trying to escape from being hit by the stick. A person is trying to kill it with the help of a stick, and the snake is trying to escape. So, that is why the name of the poem is The Snake Trying. Okay, the poet wants to say that all the snakes are not harmful. We humans, we have a notion that snakes are always dangerous, and we try to kill them as soon as we see any snake around us. But this is not always true. The poet tells us how a harmless green colored snake it tries to hide behind the green bushes in order to save itself. So now let us begin with the poem. I hope you understood that what is the poem about, that there is a snake and a person is trying to kill the snake with the help of a stick, and that particular green colored snake is trying to escape. Now, the snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin long body, how beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Now here the meaning of the word pursuing means chasing, okay, chasing or following. And then there's a word curvings, with sudden curvings means twisting, okay, twisting, like I'll show you here. As the snake moves, it goes like this, so this is the curving or twisting. Okay, so the poet says that the snake is trying to escape from being hit by the stick that is following it, that is pursuing it. A stick is pursuing or following it, chasing it, and the snake is trying to escape from the hit of that stick. And as the snake crawls, as the snake moves, its body, its thin and long body, it takes sudden curvings, okay, it takes sudden twists and turns, and it forms very fascinating types of shapes. Okay, then the poem says he glides through the water away from the stroke. Oh, let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt. Small and green is he is harmless even to children. So here glides means moves. Okay, moving. इस चीज़ का चलना. Stroke means the hitting of the stick. And reeds means water, or the plants which grows in water, or the marshy plants which are having a thick stem. So whatever tough words are there, I am giving you the meanings. Pursuing and curvings I have told you. Glides means moving. Stroke means hitting of the stick, and reeds means marshy plants with thick stem. So the poet further says that the snake moves through the water in order to save itself. Now the poet is pleading or requesting to the person who is trying to kill it to let it escape and let it hide behind the thick marshy plants, as this snake is harmless. Now he says that the small and green means the snake is small and it is green in color. So it says that it is very harmless, even to the children it will not cause any harm. Now the last 4 lines of the poem. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Here vanishes means to disappear, and reeds I've already told you it is marshy plants. So till the snake was spotted by the person who is trying to kill it, and till it was spotted and chased by the person who is trying to kill it with a stick. The snake lay quietly in the sand. It got hidden in the behind the sands. In order to save itself, the snake finally disappears in the ripples of water. Ripples means you might have seen whenever you are throwing a stone or something like that in water, the structures are formed, some wavy kind of structures are formed in water. They are ripples. So the snake disappears in the ripples of water, and it hides in the green bushes of the marshy plants, as it is itself green in color. So when it is hiding behind the green marshy plants, it will not be seen by the person who is trying to kill it. So the poem, in short, it says that all the snakes or all the animals are not harmful, and we people, when we have a mentality that all these snakes are all poisonous and very much dangerous to us, but it is not like that. Some snakes are small, cute, and they are afraid of us, and they are trying to hide from us. So we should not think like that every snake or every animal would harm us, and we should try to treat them properly with a kind heart. So this is all about the poem.